Today is the first annual KOREfest Localpalooza. We had a vision to combine with KORE to make this mountain culture festival, and we have hired 10 bands over the course of 2 days, solo artist bands, to combine with the KORE vendors. The key thing is it's very inclusive and it's free.
The combination is just incredible. It's outdoor gear and music. No better way to foster creativity and to connect people together in this wonderful mountain town of Kimberley, British Columbia.
It's really important for local gear makers to have events like this because it gets them visible. It shows the market that these kind of companies don't have to just exist in big cities, and you can have gear made by people who use it, and there's a lot of integrity in that.
A second pillar of ours is also the sustainability and circularity initiative, and that's the Rehub. We're really have brought together this incredible textile team that is taking in people's gear for repair, and both on the soft goods side and the hard goods side.
When you have events like this in a community like this, it showcases the positive energy and all the shops and the mountain community and what Kimberley's really about.